Let's talk Pi network. If you've been even a little curious about the world of digital currencies, you've probably heard the name tossed around. For years, it was just a button on your phone. Tap, watch the number go up, and wonder if it would ever matter. It felt like a game, but with the promise of something bigger. Fast forward to 2026, Pi is finally moving from promise to reality. The anticipation is turning into action, and the world is starting to pay attention. This year, it's all about building real infrastructure, not just hype. The Pi network team is rolling up their sleeves and getting to work. The goal? Make Pi a usable currency, not just a number on a screen. Imagine actually spending your Pi on things you want or need. Millions joined because mining was simple, just a tap a day. It was accessible, and anyone with a smartphone could participate. But now, the challenge is turning that crowd into a real economy. Can all those users become active participants in a thriving marketplace? In 2026, Pi is laying the groundwork for apps, services, and real-world use. Developers are building, and businesses are starting to take notice. The conversation has shifted from when moon to real technical progress, Protocol 22, Pi RC1, and smart contracts. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the backbone of Pi's future. Think of it as a digital nation finally building its roads and banks. The foundation is being set for something lasting. It's slow, sometimes frustrating, but it's happening. Progress may not always be flashy, but it's steady and real. This year is about ambition meeting reality, setting new rules, upgrading tech, and stabilizing the Pi token. The groundwork is being laid for a sustainable ecosystem. We'll dive into the new token rules, rapid upgrades, and the journey of the Pi price. There's a lot to unpack, and it's all happening now. From user governance to AI's potential, we'll unpack what Pi is doing right now. The community's voice is stronger than ever, and technology is evolving fast. This is the inside scoop on Pi's transformation in 2026. If you want to know what's really changing, you're in the right place. Let's see how Pi is becoming an answer, not just a question. The journey is just beginning, and the next chapter could be the most exciting yet. In crypto, hype usually rules. Headlines and social media buzz can send coins soaring overnight, but that excitement rarely lasts. But Pi Network is taking a different path in 2026. One that's less about noise and more about substance. The focus is on infrastructure, building the essential, not the flashy. It's about creating the groundwork that everything else will rely on. Think of it like constructing a skyscraper. You start with the foundation, not the penthouse. Without a solid base, nothing above can stand tall. Pi's team is prioritizing stability and scalability before any big marketing moves. They know that real growth depends on a network that can handle it. No stadium sponsorships or wild promotions, just protocol upgrades and developer tools. The spotlight is on substance, not spectacle. The idea is simple. Utility gives value, not speculation. Real-world use is what will make Pi matter in the long run. By building a solid backbone, Pi aims to attract real businesses and apps. The goal is to become a platform others want to build on. It's a slow, steady approach in a market obsessed with speed. Sometimes, the tortoise really does win the race. Pi wants to be an ecosystem, not just another token. It's about creating a digital economy, not chasing quick profits. That means supporting dApps, marketplaces, and secure project launches. The foundation must be strong for these to thrive. If the network isn't stable, no one will build or trust it. Reliability is everything in the digital world. Recent protocol upgrades are like finishing the skyscraper's frame, making it stronger. Each improvement brings more confidence to users and developers. This methodical strategy is a response to past crypto failures. Learning from mistakes, Pi is determined not to repeat them. Pi is betting its massive, verified user base wants a lasting platform, not a quick pump. People want something they can trust and use every day. In 2026, they're still laying the first streets of a digital city built to last. The real story is just beginning, and it's being built on a foundation meant to endure. Imagine a city where every shop is real, not just a flashy sign. That's the goal of Pi RC1, Pi's new token rulebook launched in February 2026. Projects must have a working product before issuing a token. No more empty promises. This forces developers to deliver real value, not just hype. Permanent liquidity pools are required, preventing pump and dump schemes. Teams earn rewards as their projects succeed, not from quick sales. Pi's KYC verified user base adds accountability. No more anonymous scams. Every new token must be tied to a real service or product. Pi RC1 is about building a safe, sustainable economy, not a crypto casino. It's a bold move to prioritize quality and trust in the Pi ecosystem. 2026 has been a year of rapid, crucial upgrades for Pi. It started with version 19.6, prepping the network for bigger changes. The big leap came on Pi Day with version 20.2, laying the groundwork for smart contracts. Smart contracts are the backbone for apps, games, and DeFi. April brought versions 21 and 22, focused on stability and performance. Over 421,000 active nodes keep the network running, a massive technical feat. These upgrades strengthen consensus and make the system more resilient. The pace is relentless, showing real momentum and a clear roadmap. The team isn't just planning, they're delivering on schedule. With more upgrades already announced, Pi's development is just getting started. The upgrade train is pulling the ecosystem into a new era. All eyes are on Protocol 23, the upgrade that could unlock Pi's full potential. This is when smart contracts go live, transforming Pi into a programmable platform. Expect a decentralized exchange, PiDex, and a launchpad for new projects. These features will let users trade, lend, stake, and invest Pi within the ecosystem. It's the utility everyone's been waiting for. Protocol 23 marks the shift from a closed to a more open mainnet. Developers will finally have the tools to build next-gen dApps. The core team's multi-year roadmap shows they're thinking long-term. Protocol 23 is the catalyst for real innovation and value. The anticipation is huge. This could make Pi real for millions. Let's talk Pi price. 2026 has been a wild ride. The year started strong, with optimism around upgrades pushing the price up. March saw a spike to 27 cents, but by May, it settled around 18 cents. Despite a massive token unlock, 184.5 million Pi released, the price stayed stable. That's rare in crypto and shows surprising market confidence. Many holders are betting on Pi's long-term potential, not just quick gains. The steady price reflects a maturing market focused on fundamentals. Protocol upgrades and Pi RC1's clear rules are building trust. In 2026, it's a battle between short-term volatility and long-term vision. So far, the builders are winning. The numbers behind Pi in 2026 are staggering, painting a picture of a network that's grown beyond what most imagined possible. With over 421,000 active nodes, far more than Bitcoin or Ethereum, Pi stands as one of the most decentralized networks ever built, spanning continents and cultures. This global spread means security and resilience, making the network robust against attacks or failures. Node operators are the backbone, constantly applying upgrades, monitoring performance, and keeping the network alive and healthy. More than 10 billion Pi tokens have migrated to mainnet, transforming from digital points into real, usable currency with tangible value. This massive supply now fuels dApps, exchanges, and services, powering a growing digital ecosystem. Each migrated token represents years of user effort and trust, now powering a live, bustling economy. These numbers aren't just for show, they create real network effects, driving adoption and innovation. A bigger network means more security, more apps, and more users joining every day. It's a feedback loop. More users attract more developers, who build more apps, drawing in even more users and expanding the ecosystem further. Critics focus on delays, But the scale and ambition of Pi's infrastructure is undeniable, setting it apart from other projects. In 2026, Pi's community and network strength are its greatest assets, uniting millions worldwide. The foundation for a vibrant digital economy is set, and the future looks brighter than ever for Pi. Despite progress, migration delays frustrate millions of pioneers. Many have mined and passed KYC, but still wait for tokens in their mainnet wallets. This creates a two-tiered community. Some can use Pi, others are stuck watching. Delays slow adoption and dampen enthusiasm, limiting ecosystem growth. The core team cites scale and security, but patience is wearing thin. Rushing could risk errors or fraud, so the process remains slow and careful. Resolving this bottleneck is crucial for Pi's future success. Where is Pi headed? The vision goes beyond cryptocurrency. The core team imagines users as co-executors, active stakeholders in governance. There's talk of integrating AI, using Pi's verified human network for real-world oversight. The idea humans and AI working together, with Pi identities as digital passports. This could create a more authentic, secure internet, rewarding real participation. It's a bold sci-fi vision, but rooted in Pi's unique strengths. With major upgrades and a massive community, Pi is taking real steps toward this future. The story is no longer about what Pi might be. It's about what it's becoming now.